Welcome to another Fiat video. This 2012 Fiat 500, and in this video I'll be changing the front brake pads and I'll be looking at the door handles. So first thing I'm going to do is fit the new brake pads. Now I think I've got all the tools I need. So I'll get this jacked up, axle stand underneath, wheel off, then I can start taking the old pads out. So something you need to check is the brake fluid level. It looks like it's been topped up. So I might need to keep my eye on that. And I'll probably have to take them out, but unfortunately I don't have a syringe or out like that, so I've got some blue roll, just soak up the brake fluid with that. But as always, I've always got to manage with what I have. So right, I'll carry on getting the wheel off and everything, but I just thought I'd mention the brake fluid level there. You need to check it, because when you push the pistons, retract the pistons, it's going to push the fluid up. You know, because hydraulics. The configuration of this caliper is slightly different. You've just got one caliper bolt, and then you got this pin. So just pull the clip out, keep that somewhere safe. Probably have to knock that out, but I'll try knocking getting this top pin out. It's usual 7mm Allen bolt. Well, usually, but it doesn't seem to be this time. So I'm going to have a look, see what that is. So this top bolt is actually 8mm Allen, which is unusual because most of them are 7. Right, I seem to have liberated now. Push the piston back in as well, just to help me get some room, but I just seem to be tearing up this rubber. Just try and just work it in and out. It's coming out, so I just prise the caliper back there, and there we go. I managed to liberate that. I'll need to lubricate the pin before it goes back in. Don't think I got it quite all the way out. See if I can pull it out. Pliers. I guess I'll put you guys down because I cannot do this one-handed. Now if you can see what I'm doing. So I just need to disconnect. Free off the brake hose, give me a bit of room to play with. It's just a matter of taking this clip off and then Should be able to prise the brake hose from the bracket. Okay, that's given me a bit more room already. Should be just enough to get the pads out. I'm sorry for the terrible angle. And while I'm here, see if I can get this pin out. There you go. So pins out, I'll give that a grease before it goes back in. Oh, and there we go, I've managed to free off the pin. Tried to take it out, didn't need to, just slots in. So before doing the damage, I'll get this hung up out the way. Which might be a bit easier said than done. There we go, that's safely out the way. And looks like we've got the wear sensor on this pad, which was, so remember, which was the inboard pad, so remind me in case I forget. And that's held in by a small bolt. But remember what happened with Mercedes? Ended up breaking that, so just see if I can pull it out here without disturb the bracket. There we go. And you can see how badly worn. In fact, that one's nearly right down, so it wasn't even wearing evenly, which is not a good sign. So I'll just put the clip back in the pin here because we didn't need to take the pin out. But, not too bad. So new pads. I've got these from Euro car parts, so the cheapest ones at just over 31 quid. Brembo. So I don't think a car like that cost 31 quid for pads. Not sure how much I paid for. I can't remember how much I paid for the Mercedes ones. So let's have a look. I don't think these are handed because they all look to be the same. Yep, they all look to be the same. Yeah, so they're not handed. And it comes with the pins here, the bottom pins. So I think I might just have a go at getting them out. Just give it some double T. I thought I was going to have to reuse them, but if I can fit new ones, I'll do it. So I don't think that's going to come out, not easily. No, I shall give up on that. It's not happening. So I'll put the pads in. Probably won't need any grease at all because I've got an squeal shim. So put these in. Yep, they look to be a good fit. Remember the wear sensor goes in at the bottom. Now this comes with two wear sensors, so just fit it. Just have to take the pad out. There we go. You just push it in. It's as simple as that. I didn't even need to take that clip off. Because this should come out. So I'll just fit this back into here. And now it's time to push this piston. Now I can use my wind back tool this time, because unlike the Mercedes, I've got the space to push it in. So just get the right one, the correct one for, yep, and find the right size out of the kit. This is one of these universal ones that'll fit just about any brake caliper. I'm not sure which one is going to be the most suitable. I think, no, not that one. Let's have a look. Yep, definitely need something bigger. Just need something that's going to fit there. And I think I found something. So unscrew the middle bit, then get this right. Oops. Retrieve that and I'll be right back. So that didn't work. Yeah, I think I found a more suitable size. Yep, it's working now. So I think that's the caliper piston all the way in. But before going any further, clean the pin. Give it a coating of lithium grease. I always do the sliding pins with lithium grease. And just hope this boot hasn't been totally destroyed. That that wouldn't be good. I maybe try to push it in from behind. There we go. Yep, push it in from behind. And then refit the caliper. It just rests, literally resting the pin, let it click into place. Then push that, and now I can tighten it up. I won't bother with impact. I'll just use the ratchet. Just nip it up. Now refit this brake pad wear sensor. Connect the connector. Then fit the brake hose. And then push that clip. That is basically job done. Wasn't as bad as I thought. Oh, and on there, the plug for the sensor just needs to slip in. And that is the job done. So quite a long sequence. Managed to do it non-stop, so you saw it all in real time. So I'll get this buttoned up and then just rinse and repeat on the other side. So I've got the pads fitted. Now I'll burnish them off camera. We'll do that after the video. So I'm going to turn my attention to this door handle now. If you can see, that's probably where it's come out. I was told this handle was replaced, but you can see that it's not quite right. So I'm going to have to take the door panel off. So these are the tools I got off on Temu. Thought I need a decent set of trim tools. So I think I can't see any screws, so it'll be all clips. There's this door handle. I'm not sure how that comes off, but I think there'll be some screws behind this panel, so I'll get a suitable trim tool and get that panel off, this panel off. So I got the panel off. We've got a couple of Allens. I'm not sure what they are, maybe 5mm. So I'll get a suitable tool and we'll get those two screws out. I was right, it is 5mm. So I'm just using my 1/4" ratchet. Don't need to go mad, don't need to use the impact, not the small one. Overkill for something like this. So I'll just continue getting these screws out and then I'll be ready to take this door panel off. Right, got you guys balanced on the passenger seat. So I think it's just a matter of unclipping everything. I don't know when you're going to see this. But let's have a look. I don't know if I've got the best tool for it, the best trim tool. That says I'm spoilt for choice. Try see if there's anything else I can use. Yeah, if I'm not careful, I'm going to end up breaking the door card. Seems to be fighting me at the moment. So I may end up having to carry on doing this off camera. I'm getting somewhere. Once you've got a few started, the rest of them follow quite easily. So I think I've pretty much got them all out, so just lift it off, it just hooks up. And then, I don't know whether you can see it, I can just disconnect the door handle there. It should just prise out. Yep. Sorry you can't see this. There you go, that's the door card liberated. And yeah, I think somebody's been in here before because the vapor barrier's been cut, yeah. So yep, that's confirmation that somebody's already been in here. And I think I know what the problem may be here. I think there should be a clip that holds that on, and I'll just fish around and see if I can find anything. I know you can't see anything, but there's nothing loose. What I might try is I might try undo that door handle, take it out, and I think that looks like a 10mm. There's also a T30 screw that secures the back of this latch. Now I'm just having a look at it, and I think how you're supposed to fit is you're supposed to slide it back, and it's supposed to, I think it's supposed to sort of engage on something, because I'm having trouble getting it out. But I'll try fitting the screw and see if that helps. So I managed to get it out. You just pull the handle to the open position. Did I mention there's a T30 screw? You need to take it out. Just lift it out, and it all prizes out now. Now, what the problem is the door skin. You can see a gap there. That's where it's supposed to locate in the door skin. But this seal, I think, and this piece of plastic is making it difficult to fit properly. But I think this cap bit comes off because on the driver's side, I don't know if is it the same? Yeah, you got a locker barrel, so I'm sure this plastic bit must come out. So I'll see if I can get that off, and then I should be able to fit the handle on, and it should stay on. So anyway, not too difficult to replace once you know what you're doing. So I'll just do this off camera, get this bit off. So I think I might have got it. I've got it where it should slot in. I can't really, I don't think I can show you all that well, but you got to have the handle back as if the door's being opened, and then slipped in, and then it should just pull back, and it should engage with the door card. So put in the T30 screw. it's slightly out of line. Can't do this one-handed, so I'll just tighten up the screw. Says I couldn't do it one-handed while holding camera, but I think I've got it. Yep, that's not going anywhere. That's in. That should be in right. Yep. So it's all flush, but it literally slots into the door card. There's slots that line with the hole in the door card, and that holds it in place. So I just need to refit that 10mm nut and then reattach the handle. So this should have to disconnect the handle wherever it is. Yep, I think I've found it. Yep. So just that's for the latch. So I'll just fit that in, and then it should be good. So door handle's been refitted. There we go. That's working fine. Yep, I'm happy with that. So that's a confirmed repair, and another no parts required fix, as I have enough panel, or would so often say. So just put this door card back on, and then we're done. So that's that door handle sorted out. It just wasn't fitted quite right at the back. It slots in. I just had to make some adjustments so it actually fit into the slots, but it's sorted. And that driver's door handle, that's definitely going to need replacement. So I may do that, I may not do it. It's not hard to do, as you can see. I know I didn't show you everything, but it's just a bit hard, you know, in the door panel. But yes, basically 10mm nut at the front, your T30 screw, and that's what holds the handle in. And there's a rod which you have to pull out, you know, for the latch that connects to the latch. It's quite simple, and obviously you need to pull the door handle all the way out to get it out. So right, that's all sorted, confirmed fix. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.